Hi guys, it's me, Lou Rose, and today we're making a video. And I know it's really complicated, and it's raining in Saudi Arabia. What the hell? And I didn't even know. My grandma told me. Wow. Yeesh, I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's kind of blurry, so yeah, I don't have that good in picture. This is gonna be really bad. I don't know. I don't like this, but this whole time. Oh my god. I was gonna quit it. Yeet. Just give me a second. Okay, this is kind of really hard, and it's burning. I'm burning and sweating right now. Look at the floor. Look at the floor. My god, that's really messy. There's a car. I don't know if you can see the trees are moving, but if I'm sleeping, I can see the trees moving. No idea why. Nuh-uh. I just started the video. Yeah, there's my little sister. Mimi, say hi. Say hi. I said say hi. Just kidding, you. I'm sorry. Say that shout out at you. Sorry, Mimi. No. Okay. No. My god, this is really weird. When is the storm gonna come? لا أنا ما أمسكها بس أسوي كده. Yeah, بس أنا مستني storm. Oh my god, I feel a little bit of rain on me. Oh, it really stopped. Dang it. Okay guys, I think that's it for the video, and I'm really tired. So, bye guys, subscribe, like, I know it's a quick video. Comment down below if you liked the video, and please let the rain go away, please. I'm going to say this. So, bye.